Namaste everyone. Today we are going to draw a bird. So let's start by making a bird. Let's say that this point is the eye of the bird, and now let's make the beak of the bird. So we have made the beak. Now let's make the body. That means the like this, and then we are going to make the bird's wings. Yes, that's how we make it right now. And now let's make some dots because we need to take some tips. And now let's make the bird's wing. Now let's do this, and now we have finished the one wing of the bird. Now let's make the second wing or the tail of the bird. We have made this. Let's make another one to make it very much better. More better, because that was not good. Now let's make the body shape of the bird. We are making a pigeon. I think this is perfect. Let's make one more to try, because we can anytime just undo. So let's make the bird's tail. We have made it, and now we have finished the drawing. We have made a bird. We need to make another wing of the bird, but so then we are going to make the dots again, because we do know that we need to make the wings slightly and now the bird is fully finished. So now by one